Good morning, birders. I'm out here in Rockport, getting ready to board this Skimmer to go on a whooping crane boat tour. Hopefully we'll see some whooping cranes and a whole bunch of other birds out here as well.
All right, we look like we got a little documentation going to go on here.
That we do.
All right. Welcome.
So it's guaranteed whooping cranes, right?
I will guarantee you whooping cranes.
All right.
Guaranteed.
Excellent.
They tell you that they are.
Yes, sir. This is the one. That's the ticket. Good morning.
There's three of us.
Awesome.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, we do have a spotting scope on the front of the boat. That's for you guys to use. Just use the handle to move the scope around. Also, Megan's already handed out some binoculars. So, what we're going to do is run up in the wildlife refuge. We're going to show you some whoopers and 30 to 60 different species of other birds and animals. And we'll be gone for about 3 hours. Okay. Is anybody looking for anything in particular other than whoopers? Okay, well, we'll show you everything we got, and that's usually a lot. I didn't mean to run that. All right, well, give us a chance to get the boat untied, and you guys can move around.
Yeah, they can be down for a minute or more.
No. They winter here. There's a bunch of them.
Some of these are just pylon wood tie downs. I'm sure they used to be. Some of these things are like little docks that are out of use. Some of them you'll see that are like covered in little bits of wood or duck blinds closer in. Here it sounds like a Forster's Tern. Yep, good look at the Forster's Tern.
Small tern with a black eye patch, short dark bill.
Oh, here's the loon behind us. Loon's over here.
Oh, there you go. Man, that's the same one. He's right here back at 4 o'clock. That's the same one.
Yeah, he went far. That can't be the same loon. Yeah, never know. Yeah, good look at the common loon. We should have some great look at the cranes. Yes, that is a whooping crane, and there's another one in the grass to the left of him.
Whooping crane.
Whooping cranes. Check and check.
Oh, no. They always look like butterflies.
Real well. Conditions are good up there. Yeah. Sometimes they really have a lot of 20 years, they've only raised 2 or 3 adult chicks to adulthood, that flock. So you had a whole bunch of, or have a whole bunch of adult birds with no chicks. So somebody said, well, why don't we put some of these chicks with these adults? We have work. Anybody wants to use that scope, pop those covers off and have at it.
That's a Forster's Tern. By whooping cranes. I'm sure we'll see more. First of many.
Now these babies are hatched in May or June, covered in those rust-colored feathers. They fade to white as they get older. They make the
You see the
2,600
young
mile
whooping
journey
cranes?
here when they're 4 to 6 months old. They'll stay with the
You see the
family
white
through
birds
first
out here?
year,
And there's
they
some
get back to wood
buffy colored
buffalo in
ones
the
in
spring
there.
with
The
the
buffy
family
colored
over
ones are
fall.
the young ones.
Join a group of sub-adult birds called a cohort. In this cohort, where they learn how to smoke cigarettes and drink beer.
Family of whooping cranes.
No,
Nice. So what's the
They're
difference between the... Ah, hang on.
6 months.
Is that... There's... yeah, okay.
What do you think?
Well... Instead of the white bird there...
What are these in this pond here?
Over here, we've got blue-winged teal.
Blue-winged teal. Gosh. And that'll be under
Ducks. Yes, they're ducks. Blue-winged teal. There's turkey vulture.
Texas eagle there, the Oklahoma state bird, the turkey vulture.
Oh, and there's some willets
It's not
flying.
really the Oklahoma state bird.
It's kind of spooked up some willets.
I thought turkey vulture had a red head.
Yes. Amazingly cooperative cranes.
It is, isn't it?
A little bit, you'll lean on.
You can hear the cranes.
Call it. There's one will call, the other will answer.
Ibis with a crab.
Huh.
Oh, it's a big crab for that ibis.
Yeah, how's it going to eat that? Huh.
He got it down.
Wow.
The whooper on the left.
So I'd say this is a pretty good view of the whooping cranes.
Very good.
Just so bright, glowing. Awesome. Compare the spoonbill to the pelican. Spoonbill's small.
Notice if you get close, they
There
have
go the pelicans.
powder blue legs.
Where are they?
So just to the left of where the pelicans took off of in the pond.
They're rather different from us, from the European ones.
And that looks like a greater yellow legs walking in front of them. You can see how they sweep their beak
Yeah.
back and forth in there, kind of to
Note the
get up
black
under the
all way
rocks.
down the back of the pelican's wing. Also, they will flap.
There's the bufflehead.
Really carrying on out there.
Dancing whooping cranes. There's another long-billed curlew out there to the far left. Then oyster catchers, willets, and more oyster catchers.
I've been looking for a willet.
There he goes, there's the fish. Yeah. You're disturbing my lunch.
Yeah.